I'm going to show you the easiest way of unlocking your Facebook account from Learn More to Get Started problem. So all you just need is your identity verification, and it's just going to take 2 minutes, and I hope it helps you. So step number 1 is to click on Learn More in order to activate the Get Started option. So after that, it will bring you to this page. Then you're going to scroll down. And then you click on the option of No. Then Other. So you're going to copy and paste what I'm going to type here. It is in the description of the video. So after pasting that, you click on Submit. So when you submit, after like 24 hours, you will open that account again, and by that time you'll be able to see the Get Started option. And this is how it will look like. So you will click on Get Started. Then the next step is to confirm whether that is your account. Then you click Next. So on confirmation, you will first be taken through this verification challenge. You're just going to type exactly what you see, and then you click on Confirm Your Identity. So here you're going to submit either your national ID or a driver's license or a passport, anything that bears your information. But now for this one, you must use the Facebook app for submitting that ID. So you're not going to use Facebook Lite nor even the desktop version. So after taking the photo of that ID, you will receive an email from Facebook after 24 hours, and that email will contain the link that will help you log into your account. So it will have a link of either the password or a direct link. So this is how the link will appear, and you're just going to click on the link. So you'll have the link and then the password. So you're just going to either click on the link or you just copy the password that you're going to use for logging into your new account. For those who are using mobile phones, you can check this video on the right. And then also, if you want to know how to put one name on Facebook, you can check this other video on the left. And don't forget to click the subscription button so that you don't miss more of my coming videos.